Hello and welcome to Guide on how made 3D printed laptop stand. Please like and subscribe. Download and slice the files. Printing and then wait 20 hours for them to complete, or if you do not wish to wait 20 hours, jump cut to them being completed in next scene. I had to enlarge the holes because the threaded rod I bought was bigger than the hole sized in the file, so I just used a 6.5mm drill bit and my drill press and very quickly just hogged them out to the right size. Next I headed back inside to the office to Google how wide my laptop was, and then used that dimension to mark out the threaded rod ready for cutting. It was a little bit fiddly, it did take some trial and error because I needed a nut on the inside and the outside, but I think it worked out okay. And here I get to cut the rod with my new DeWalt battery grinder. Very happy with my Black Friday purchase, or my Black and Yellow Friday purchase. Although safety squints engaged, I was just in a hurry to cut this and I should have used much more safety equipment. But it worked really well. I just used a nut to clean up the threads once they're all cut. Here's me assembling it. Trying to find ways to put the nut on the inside, I actually ended up threading on the nuts with a drill chuck, just so I could have them part way down for when I cut through, because these pieces of threaded rod were 900mm in length, so it was a little bit easier to put the nuts on before cutting them. Now let's go to a nifty musical number where I finish the assembly and you can see the final product. Enjoy.